looking for a high-precision, high-quality CNC machine tool supplier? This is the VMC 855 series vertical machining center from Qingdao Taizheng Precision Machinery in China. Available in 3 models, 3 linear guides, 2 linear plus 1 hardened guide, and 3 hardened guides. All 5 core components of the bare machine are made of high-quality HT300 cast iron. Wall screws, linear guides, bearings, spindles, couplings, and tool magazines use well-known brands from Japan, Taiwan, and Europe. VMC 855 series X Travel 800, Y Travel 550, Z Travel 550, optional X Travel 900, Y Travel 550, Z Travel 600 is also available with BT40 150 12,000 RPM spindles, optional 11 kilowatts motor, ideal for precision parts processing in mold cavities, 5G, auto parts, 3C products, and shell parts. VMC 855 customization. Contact anytime. Follow for more content.